Hey lovelies, my name is Nellie Robert and today I'm with Superdrug and Real Techniques to bring you guys this gorgeous galactic look. I am going to be using the new Brush Crush collection from Real Techniques, so stay tuned and keep watching. So first up guys, I'm going to grab my Real Techniques 305 shadow brush. I'm going to grab a deep blue, swirl my brush in there to make sure that it picks up all of that pigment. Tap it off so that there's no fallout, and then I'm going to apply that directly beneath my waterline. So now guys, you're going to kind of create an upside down triangle. It looks like a very exaggerated teardrop. Next, using the same 305 eyeshadow brush, we're going to dip into a lighter blue. It's more like a crystal, and as you guys can see, it gives like a beautiful shimmer. So now grabbing my 302 blush brush, I'm going to dip into my Revolution Pro palette, grab myself a gorgeous fuchsia pink, and I'm going to apply that directly onto my cheekbones. So now guys, I'm going to bring that up to my brows, right onto the temple. Brilliant. So now that we've done this side, I'm going to go back in with the 305 eyeshadow brush, and to blend the colors I'm using a light purple shade. I'm going to bring the purple into the pink just so that there's no harsh lines. We want to get that all nice and blended in. Don't know if you guys can see this, but this brush is slightly angled, so it's perfect for your cheekbones. It's going to give me the intense look that I'm after. I'm going to grab this gorgeous purple right here and apply that to the hollows of my cheeks. And when you're satisfied with the amount of eyeshadow that you've got on, grab your 300 powder brush and blend that in. We're going to go back in with our 305 eyeshadow brush, dip into that pink again and round it all off. So we're going to connect all the colours together. So now guys, it's time to get a little bit crazy and we're going to pop some glitter on. I'm just going to pat that onto the back of my hands. So now grabbing my cosmetic Brush Crush sponge. Wow guys, that's a crazy tongue twister. I'm now going to dip that into the glitter and now apply that onto my face. So guys, moving on to the artistic side of things, we're going to grab a white liquid eyeliner and we're just going to draw stars. Super easy. Gonna start line going across horizontally, dip back in, line going down vertically. So now guys, grabbing my 304 fan brush, I'm going to swivel that into my MUA highlighter. I'm just going to apply that on the button of my nose. And then just to get an extra bit more galactic, just some on my forehead. So now we're going to move on to our lips and we're going to apply a super deep purple. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this super galactic look. For more tutorials using Real Technique brushes, stay tuned and subscribe.